everybody. You know what it is, not the program, Mr. Aubreaction, back again with another one. Yo, man, I miss doing this, man. Hey, I know what I'm saying. Nickel notice when I was fingers, we got it wrong at the camera. I become a fungo toucheza Regeneca Jesus and Namusi upon the Yanapana road kid venda and then chip so the chip track, the chip a track. Young Rufi wake them up, wake them up freestyle in go Pangani. But then the catch of Mutangano in Gawad, Sakutana Mutangano in Gawad. Ya vangeni ondira asweke nene mna to the Oscar the link in I mean no I was going to check out the WhatsApp and then there's this guy who lyrics then I posted on Gika Mina something but yeah man I try to just injil geneka beef for the quite mini because I think ndichiko fe beef this is too much to do and combo na mapungu beef opango tunonga obachari plan abo that come on man beef tonga huna bamwe bane batonga woto kudziko febra and go track yaso. Then I'm gonna give you a line, like Big Zulu style. But yeah, man, because if you check out a Big Zulu, most of guys who are responding, they are those Zulu guys, Questa, Duncan, like even that guy as a Dive Olawaka, ambitious record and everything. So that I have to tell you something. But this one, I'm sure there are some, but never whatever as do But yeah, man, let's get to it. I'm just disappointed though. I'm just disappointed. I'm gonna respond ka wiki they never on line. Remember that line you wiki I forgot but this kid is this kid. I don't want to be rude, but this kid is overrated. So I'm sure often open line, like often open. I think that's where the challenge is. Né? But yeah, man, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I with the beefy kwamba minute 4 minutes 47 seconds. Let's get to it, man. Mutangano ni ngawani. Okay.
We played the same spot, but the night have been sin. But you could jana spot sin, but Bombara sama bam.
Woo! La sport scene. So people are just going to sports scene, so we play the same sport, but hey man, we're not the same, right? Wako jana sports scene, sports scene, mara wone wako dambra mini mabama. So we play the same sport, but we're not what? We're not the same. We're not in the same league. So like when waka dambra mabama, but then ndika jana sports scene, jana renga. When wako jana sports scene kudeta mini, uto check on kotanga na mini. But the
night have been sin, but you could jana spot sin, but Bombara sama bam. I've been bigger than them for over a year. I'm showing the bomber, Babanjibane Bantam. Chandacha Metro is bigger than his Syria, but Java more responded Bakusabo wana bam.
Chandacha Metro is bigger than his career, and I don't know if he carry away the took. That's the chanda. That's what he's saying, like. Career that the chanda if you career like 5, like if I like not chanda I'm going to so that's the like the narrative creating the lambe that venda which if it that the chanda kumbe vya sizvinji ngona so if career when the tuku ngamuzo of the wood
kusabo wana bama neria zamoro chidozo bonorea wara enga fere sango mujigera kam I even doubt no pasana science amroro wabaseni bonara sadodo na natural
punch. I think we can metro because I think no persona natural like no persona science ni wana sa dodola natural science kongwana ni wana sa dodola natural like natural chukura mbofi like mbonelo ya no the way we look at you na manga na transonity ni bani dodo like ni wana sa dodo there's nothing which I convinced about you but yeah we don't think you know persona mean na science nganda na dodo ngayo la natural means science okay let's go.
Bonara sadodo na natural. Bangwara beat for weeks, maraza for week. Bakanda zivalanga freestyle za natural. Red game koda penya beko faraza bumra banda zorusa na pasinda vaporisha. Devanji baba bakudi fabade bakufunga riba kupisa ndorushika na vaporisa. Atinga baguriri na gubudi ndongera way back kusina na zineba kutungisa.
Atinga bakoreri na won't ongera way back usina zineba kutongisa. But but nesara kuti ndinazo zvine ndangazviita mini zvine ndangazvitongisa but tingavakoleri kongwana ti even ndinazo zvine ndangatongisa but this one vakusokutonga sina zvine vakutongisa okay.
Better way back, we can never kutongisa. If you like it, we can do it every month. And sabaki guru museba kohorisa. Asi beef nishkoti cha beans. Neta banyo perera nyumba za mudzinga sera fena beans.
As beef nishkoti cha beans. Okay, I get where he was going, but this line is kind of like working yana. Kongwana ti tikwambe yorapa nikwambe like chikoti cha beans. Ukozamo akavela punchline ya panda, but the line is kind of like work because it don't get junakela nintu ya raja yes beef nishkoti cha kobe sakakena because it over tini if you remember kaba one. So as beans okay as beef nishkoti cha beans, right? Abachi kusumbe sorry nyata wanyopelelwa tekela zingasira pesa min sa beans ukomba tunda fila pa venda one of the tallest guy I think around venda no fi beans so nyata wanyopelelwa ngunda chingu nana ngona zvone nyata wanyopelelwa ni chikumwara muzika, right? Zvingasi tekela ningasira apfe upuranyi beans, you get what I mean? And I'm going to 4 minutes at again.
Better nyimbo za mudzinga sera fena beans. I've been doing number 7 since Steven the Lazibona Zora giving the rap prince. Let me not even talk about the king. I wanna star, he doesn't even blink.
Let me not even talk about the king. I wanna star, he doesn't even blink. Hey, you got I forgot about Mizo. Like we know Mizo is the king. Nane Mune. Mizo is the king na mina zote, like that's what then mundo ziyamba nakaza track ya Rich Times 2 yamsana Mizo ndito ambo ndo na king bako idibla samnada. So let me talk about the king. Right, so ngamba king, right? It doesn't even look like a star, like I want a star, like doesn't even look like a star. It doesn't even bling do penya, no penya apenyi. I want like listen to this word. I want a star. Right? No penya apenye ngondro fyo bauluwa. Uko fyo king was rawo bauluwa. Ukombo zeso.
I wanna star, he doesn't even blink. Bombra baba kombaza but my phone doesn't ring. Babonara bakabende but they don't even sing. Niko defesa ranene benga phone.
Okay, babonara bakabende but they don't even sing. You know how like it's a punchline, you know you go to Ziambilas too. My phone doesn't even ring, you know.
But they don't even sing. Because the professor and the benga phone. Penny credit, Chabendo Takurambona. Natundinga to Wisdom the Chifuna and the research Kukwana Rada Kuritach Kuna. Bukazanga Tiger, Kandy Boy, Papa Siga Pisa Better Chan Koi, the good show done and the Kotera Rap Joy. I eat rappers for lunch, Ungar and the Cola Joy. I remember the Chibeta Nabutigla, Film Killer, Marandina and Achapa.
You remember that battle with Tigla was there, didn't they? Joe video and then so you know what he's talking about then. But one thing I know is that Tigla is gonna respond, and Tigla doesn't play, bruh. Like Tigla doesn't play. Like I'm sure he's gonna respond. No, Tigla, and I'm sure he's gonna respond.
Peneza wexam fila bongo baturira bachimbono bakono domfa unjabe wendi 2025 marazina na mara na zina na repa zikotha bomra pandikare ndo bapika nindi toreza voice resina nda repa zito para ko bakila zikagara benye banja ngari poto senga nyar bango bapeta mingwa haba kongwara nenda bende sengo ngwara peneza fundesa zanga ninga zo bakonyar bakora pesa chika ndo kumbera matuki freestyle yo
repesa chika nokumura matuku like repa chika and then vakobvisa nyimbo dzachika then ikobvisa dzihit like my hit ndizokumura matuku ala muntu achipfa nyimbo dzavo sokuri ndozonzvivhenderepo zvawo nezvi mara nani chidhanga apa repozo mara ya man na muzika pakavhenderepo ngongwana like something like that
zanga ndingazoba konyati vakorepesa chika ndotokumbera matuki freestyle yofumba izonga chigwa matuki yanga yora pesa mara ndimpofu yamfagende game up nagoba
yanga yora pesa ukwambwa diki apa zvino
yanga yora pesa mara ndimpofu yamfagende game up nagoba sampune
yanga I'm fucking the game up now but I'm phone like even though they don't love me but I'm still fucking the game up. They don't like me, they don't love me, but I'm still fucking them up. Like, not if you're good at first, okay, I'm a dick.
Now
I'm the real shit. Hola mwanga bako I mean ako guba. I'm the real shit. Shit in even you know mtachi guba bako guba mean. Kongwana but I'm the real shit like I'm the real deal. Kongwana ti hola mwanga bako no guba ngako papa ngomtachi ko guba bako takuwa ukusko jaja ukusko takwa chat that chibuya ukusko takwa. Kongwana ti so I'm the real shit bra. I'm not fake. I'm hard. I'm the real deal. Kongwana ti ukudombo zwezvo.
one nimuvudze nahono yokuziboreka chidushu uwera kabane pakotoguda none nimuvudze asike kadzipiya none ufi baba marakane uchimwana none vakonkopera ngore nayo tokopera none ahuna huna adoya atopotera
vakomukopera ngore atokopera haiti ndizvo kubva gai iti ndizvo kuzibokopera nyingo I'm not that big ikautevera like this piano you know tutova big piano zvisina ndavonipenya venda kana gai I'm not that big and it's going to you know but yeah man I'm not that big up here
vakonkopera ngore nayo tokopera none ahuna huna adoya atopotera generera tona zichere ndo ya papa ngogaruwa ndichitera ndipapanyala mapapa korebodu
ukombora chakill enda vakili vari acha batamba ndingamupa beef so I think I think kuti kuda kwamba matamba iyi varacha awana chitikosi cha beef ai
terendo ya papa ngogaruwa ndichitera ndipapanyala mapapa korebodura kufera kanodura chikosapo wera kabatuba nepatopa pasongo ya kapa una zahara SBCD una mkosi bafunesa badidzi donation adobu yabana cash flow fees na gene conscience bono di vera feshe
alcha makrut mani ngona mkaraman alcha makrut mani Actually, makrut mani adini mutu msi makrut mani pata ndi game
adobu yabana cash flow fees na gene conscience bono di vera feshe nichisore ndikombera atinchini manje tichaba bona beshini una tramsindo vara marketing ndikokila zvakombrapa zvachemasa mandera meje ariye panda
zvachemasa maimbere anyi
ndikokila zvakombrapa zvachemasa mandera meje
naamra zvachemasa maimbere I think ofuna vori CJ aranda ndikofa ngori McJ ofuna uri CJ right because McJ asimtonondo chema ngara ndi CJ nganondo pfi mine bla vetu so that I can understand really well ukofi maimbere kana mambere a McJ kana CJ ina mambere CJ yachitenda sone kana McJ watochema sa CJ mavana vasho
ndikokila zvakombrapa zvachemasa mandera meje ariye panda let me proceed komopa gaming marasta prohid ndikakila bombrapa vatendinga vatweni ndichikasera zvipfugera sa covid ndikakila bombrapa vatendinga vatweni ndichikasera zvipfugera sa covid
kramba vatondinga vatondi ai unongoponga zonga vatonde bla vetu ndongozila vatondi lopangiwa
marasta prohid ndikakila bombrapa vatendinga vatweni ndichikasera zvipfugera sa covid ndivalenda vandikopa page 2 ndopa onwara chika kula kupa mire nakirura kovatima
punch obvious the one that for page 2 like timetokana zona page 1 na page 2 of page 3 golda obviously but you know ndokufa kuflopa na mimi ndakerula kubambira ku page 2 kaona kukerula okay nice
kupa page 2 ndopa onwara chika kula kupa mire nakirura kovatima rika stage 2 sava escom auna zvina na data nditosokugungura rakeriya yanga ka community yoba isho sinesasiriya mara zvino yonotsuka ndivanji
you be mara zvino yonotsuka like seriya chipetane you know like ugo trend samapungori you know bleaching and stuff but hey let's not get into that but Like that, I think that was just a punch in every punch you are almost one.
Bumbura rap career yanga ka community yoba issue necessary ya mara zino yono tuka lebanji bane basoko de pongare na zino vampira mara uneba vandono puka zabombra bando zikubika na basi zinga mwana chikubotamba zono tuka abeni gobuya bana boramzi bachidina badi mara chibinga cha butupuka bakubukiwa mara ba one center because sasa the joke that they send chido chinde chigore chibera na elephant bango bare vampira bakuzvipa ndi prime abeka de muna bo player vonanga bo jar player bane apa kuje bakora zigulu
abeka game unabo player unonga bo jail player unabo player unonga bo unabatambi unatototamba unabo player unatototamba ne vononga bo jail player jail ndi mutambi vane avakove vakora dzigol naondera kofe vakubvisa dziflopo avakove vadiva avadivi zvine vakuita zvona ndi dziplayer mara vadzi zvine vakuita zvona okuva line yaserious but
pandi prime abeka de muna bo player vonanga bo jar player bane apa kuje bakora zigulu dito sima bo edera musu zichimberera vaja zvipa vari ndoto stella solo zipa marnana no zipa va fuck it it's our city ya up fuck it
yeah okay yeah man, that was Rootkid Venda track episodes of him Mutangano ninga one. So look man, track in the track I'm skeptical at the episode ninga dope, but as a beef though, if there's some dope lines, you know, like there's some dope lines. Then I go much musica beef, yeah. Okay, so big slow offset beef, you know. I'd respond to I think don't respond and the KO. I was on KO, and then I told people like, yo man, listen to the lines. It's a KO. Stop this or that nonsense. I mean, listen to the lines. So there's some dope lines, like there's some dope lines, right? But as a track, yeah, you know, and I need that aggressive, you know, like that energy. No funga ina energy, I got that aggressive, it was like, yo man, I'm talking my shit in the Mutangano, because now I'm addressing like you know, like Casper, Casper. You know, I'm gonna fecaloisis one, you know, OR, like you know, Casper was addressing the third verse. No music video or the music video. I could address. So that aggressiveness, ne? We needed that. Like you just needed like Rootkid to have that aggressiveness. Those was like, okay, bro, I'm not playing here because this one seems like we're just playing, you know, and you know, like it's. I'm just playing, you know, we need something serious. But like Big Zulu, even though Big Zulu obvious on about of the Bakwama Zulu, amen, to the line, let's beef each other. I'm sure he was aggressive, like I was like, we're not playing here. If it's hip hop talk, okay, hip hop go dog. So I think next time Rootkid Venda no fuch kwambo here, una Mutangano futhi. So I'll be aggressive, like be aggressive, bro. Show you're not playing, show you that you mean business. Whoever that wanna challenge can challenge you. But not for bro, Mr. Aubreaction, and I'm out.